I believe all women are pretty without makeup. But with the right makeup, they can be pretty powerful. And that's what this mini-series is going to be all about, ladies. I want to show you how to embrace your inner beauty, enhance some of your natural features that you have, and show the world how amazing you really are, with or without makeup. I want to be able to show you guys that a few simple tips and tricks that I use to keep it simple, but yet beautiful, and really embrace the uniqueness that each one of you possesses inside. Right? So perhaps we should love ourselves so fiercely that when others see us, they know exactly how it should be done. Confidence is the new beauty. And I want to teach you all that you can find that inside of yourselves. A beauty that comes from within is a beauty that age cannot wrinkle. Not distracted by a simple pimple, but a radiant face of joy and pleasure. Woman with true inner beauty is a life full of love and bounty, and her sweet smile will never fade away. That's a little poem that I thought was kind of neat for this mini-series. You all possess everything that you have inside of you to radiate that beauty, and I'm not here to tell you to put makeup on to cover that up. In fact, that's the last thing I want to tell you. I really feel that makeup is more of an art. Some might even call it a passion. It's a form of expressing ourselves, not hiding ourselves. It's a way to enhance what's already given to us. And let's be honest, I know for myself, I feel way better when I can cover up my dark circles, throw on a bit of mascara, gloss. I feel like I can conquer the day, right? It doesn't have to be complicated. We don't have to have elaborate makeup all the time. Sure, it's fun to have that once in a while, but I wanted to show you, ladies, just how you can have the simple looks, everyday look put together, but yet feel confident inside. And that confidence that you will have on the inside is going to come through and shine on the outside. No matter what age you are, no matter what makeup skill you have, no matter what makeup you have in your kit, all right? I'm going to show you simple ways to get ready in under 10 minutes with less than 10 products each time. So join me over the next 5 days as we explore some of my most amazing tips and tricks, ladies.